if you post content on Facebook pages, you have to know this AI tool. It's the only tool I know that lets you create the text on background type of post and also Facebook threads. Before we jump into the demo, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, so you might have seen on Facebook, posts like this, they get a lot of engagement. Look at this. So what is this? It's a simple text, but with a colored background. We call them text on background, TOBI images. And also it is a thread. So you'll notice if you look here, it's a thread post. So we say something and then down arrow, and then look at this. So step 1, step 2, right here. And I just found an AI tool that lets you do this. You can schedule, you can do it in bulk, and it's the only tool I know that lets you do this. For now, we've been doing this manually because this format, actually, before I show you the tool, I want to show you how. Here is a friend of mine, Ava, really great profile. Look at this. So same text on background, and then look at the engagement. Here is another one. Look at the engagement. A lot of these are threads too. Here's another one. And this format, if you want to go viral, get a lot of organic reach on Facebook right now in 2025 and maybe and beyond, focus on text on background and the threads. Those are the two formats that are working really well. So what is text on background? It's simple. Let me go back. Actually, this is my profile. That's fine. I'll just say text, and then you use this background image, and it just makes it stand out in your news feed. It captures a lot of attention. So that's what the text on background type of images. Now, what's the tool? Let's look at this. The tool is called RobinReach. I'll make sure there's a link below in the description. Yes, it is my affiliate link, but this tool saves us so much time. It's social media management plus AI plus repurposing. So it does a lot of different things. I say if you work in social media, you have to know this tool because this tool will replace like multiple 4 or 5 different tools that you use. So again, you create less, publish more. That's their tagline. And let me log in and I'll show you how to create the text on background type of images and also how to create the thread post with this different comments in the thread. All right, so let me go to my dashboard. I'm already logged in, and this is what you're gonna see. The first thing you can do is you can actually create different type of brands. So think of different brands as, let's say you have a Facebook page in cooking niche, and maybe another Facebook page in, maybe you manage multiple clients. Actually, that's a good example. If you manage multiple clients, those clients are probably in different niches, so you can create brands for each client. That's what the purpose of this is. Next step is you're gonna click add profiles, and then you can connect all of your social media accounts, and all the main ones, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, you can publish those. Now, let me show you how you can create the text on the background type of images. So for example, first thing you want to do is compose and then select profile. From here, you'll just select the profile. And then this is where you're going to post. So let me actually copy something. Here you go. So you might hate me for this, but I believe kids need more chores, not iPads. Interesting. And then I'm gonna select one of these colors here, right here. Now scroll down. Let me resize this page. And then you can just click on publish now and confirm, and then it will get published as a text on background post. And I've already posted this, so I want to show you how this looks like. So let me go to my page. And you'll notice right here, oh, it's already kind of creating some engagement, right? Again, it's a text on background. That's the name of this type, and it creates a lot of engagement, and you probably see a lot of brands, a lot of people use this format. And now the thing is, let's say if I didn't want to post this, I can go and schedule this. That is something I haven't seen a lot of like AI tools or a lot of social media management tools do, where you can create the text on background images and then schedule them. But this tool lets you do it. All right, that was one. Number two, let's also look at the other type. So for that, let me actually go back to compose again and select the page here. And I want to say, let's 10 ChatGPT prompt to boost your SEO, right? And then down arrow. And down arrow encourages people to look at the comments, right? And then what you're gonna do is scroll down, and this time click here, the Facebook options. And then you're gonna see multiple options here. Post, reels, and stories. So we wanna post this as a regular post, but we wanna add comment thread. So click here, and this is where I'll say test one, first comment. Here is my second comment, and here is my third comment, right? And again, if this is 10, 4, or 5, you can just add those here. And then again, you can post it, publish it right now, up to you, or you can also schedule this. So that's another awesome thing. Not only you can create these threads on Facebook and post them now, but you can also schedule these in the future, for the future. Another awesome feature. So let me actually show you, because I posted this already, so I want to just show you what this would look like. Here you go. So here is the first the caption or the post. This text actually was here, and then if you look at the comments, you'll notice. So we created a thread of two comments. So here's the first comment, and here is the second comment. And we've seen these type of posts. I think I showed you examples. Ava's profile, my friend Austin, same thing. We use this strategy a lot. Right here, and text on the background type of post. And then if you notice, there will be a thread. There's a reason for people to open the comments and then read the comments. So now that I've told you, I think you'll see this type of content on your feed a lot, because I know a lot of people are posting stuff like this, right? And even my pages that I showed you earlier, iSocialU, we create the Facebook threads a lot as part of our organic growth strategy. So text on background posts, and also Facebook threads. And the only tool that I've seen that lets you schedule these, not only make these, but schedule these, is RobinReach. And again, the link is going to be below in the description, so make sure you check it out. Any questions, let me know. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this. And now I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.